So today we will have an interface by the name greet, and we have two empty functions in that by the name arrival and by the name of departure. Okay, so how do we greet on, what do we greet on arrival and what do we greet on departure? So I make a class, let's say class marriage. What does it do? Or let's take class mall. It implements which function, which interface? Hello, I want you all to communicate with me so that I know you all are understanding. And if I'm not audible, or if you are not able to speak, raise your hand or text, send a text message. We have an option of chatting also. You go against your name, click on more, and we have a chat option. So if you are not able to speak due to some reasons, send on the chat. I'm understanding, or please repeat once again. So what is the name of the interface over here, and how many empty function does it have? Namely, do they have a body? Do the functions have a body? So it is whose responsibility to give them the body? So which the class? What is the class name? So what will be the responsibility of mall? To give body to arrival method. So how do we greet on, what do we greet on arrival? What do we greet on arrival? So if the watchman who is there at the mall, what will he greet us when we enter on arrival? Welcome, right? And what will he greet us on departure? So it is the responsibility of the class mall to give methods to both the functions. Yes or no? Now we will make object of which? Object of the interface or object of the class? So now we will write a class for main, right? So we will write public for main, always make a separate class. Public class interface main. What is the class name? And what do I write in it? Public static void main. And so now what will we do? We will make object of which class? Object of which class? Object is made of a class. Which class? So object of the mall class, mall M1 or whatever you call, Kumar Pacific. Mall KP is new mall, and then using this KP we can call both the functions, arrival and departure. Who has understood this program? Tell me. Or if you all want, I will repeat it for you all. So what? Let's recap. What does the interface contain? Function names, only names. What does the interface contain? Only name of functions. Does the interface contain any body? Then who will give the body? The class which will implement the interface. So which class is implementing the interface? So what is responsibility of mall? To give body to the empty functions. So it has to give body to and
Departure.
yeah, and by default the specifier of the class of the interface is public. What is it?
Public.
So you have to give public over here. So whose responsibility to give functions the body to the empty function? The class mall. So we have given body to arrival, yes or no?
Yes.
And we have given body to departure, yes or no?
Yes.
And now the class closes. And now for main, always make a separate class. Always make a.
Separate
So I
class.
made public class interface main, wrote main in that, and you always make object of a class. You never make object of interface. So we'll make object of which class? We'll make object of which class?
Mall.
And what is the object name I have kept?
KP.
And new mall. And using the object, we will call methods of that class. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, how do I save this program as? Tell me.
The
Yes.
class name.
The class which contains main. The class which contains.
Contain name.
Which is the class which contains main?
Interface name.
So I'll save it as interface main.java. How?
Yes, sir.
Interface main.java. Okay. And now how do I run this? Go to file, open containing folder in CMD. So black screen will open. Okay. Now how do I compile this? Tell me. Java C. Java name. Java C, not Java C, not Java.c. It's Java C. Java C interface main.java. And how? Okay, what happens? I have missed a curly bracket. I have missed a class small implements. What is the keyword?
Implements.
Yeah, so I have missed the S over here. So again I save. Again I go to the black screen. Again I compile. Compiled. Now how do I run it? Java
Java.
and interface main, no extension. And what will I get as output? Welcome, goodbye. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood this example clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I want you all to make a class called as shape, interface called as shape. What is the interface name?
Shape.
And it will have two empty methods, area and perimeter. What will it have?
Area and perimeter.
And I want you to make a class rectangle, and that rectangle class will calculate the area and calculate the perimeter. Understood? Yeah, I'll just repeat it. Are you able to see paint?
Yes, sir.
So what is the interface name we have to give? Shape. And what will it contain?
Area and perimeter.
Void area and perimeter. Only the names, no body. And we have to create a class rectangle. What do we have to create?
Class rectangle. Class rectangle.
So this is the class rectangle. What was this? This was interface shape. And this is class rectangle. What will the class rectangle do? Implements shape.
Shape.
And now it is the responsibility of the class to give body to
the function.
So who will give body to public void area?
Perimeter.
So we have to give the code for public void area and the code for public void perimeter. Am I understood?
Yes,
This
sir.
is what we have to achieve. So let's start coding. Let's start the coding. So do you see Notepad++?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ऐशा समझ में आ रहा है? ऐशा
Yes, sir.
ब्यूटीफुल. तो इंटरफेस का नाम क्या दिया?
Shape.
शेप. उसमें क्या दिया?
Void area, void perimeter.
परफेक्ट. क्या बात है. बॉडी दिया क्या? इनकी बॉडी दिया क्या?
No, sir.
बॉडी कौन देगा?
Rectangle. Last rectangle. Implement shape.
इम्प्लीमेंट्स. हाँ, प्लूरल.
Yes.
एंड नाउ रेक्टेंगल का एरिया निकालना है. तो कैसे निकालेंगे? फॉर्मूला क्या है? L इंटू बी. क्या है?
Length into breadth.
लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ. तो इंटीजर लेंथ लिया 10 का, इंटीजर ब्रेथ लिया 20 का, और फ्लोट और इंटीजर रिजल्ट लिया. क्या लिया?
Result.
तो रिजल्ट का क्या फॉर्मूला क्या रहेगा?
Length into
और डिस्प्ले क्या करेंगे हम?
display result.
ब्यूटीफुल. तो हम you can display like this also. You can display like this also. Area of rectangle is, close the double quotes, give a plus sign and then give this. तो क्या लिख के आएगा? एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इज 200.
Yes.
एरिया हो गया. नाउ लेट्स गिव बॉडी टू पेरीमीटर. लेट्स गिव बॉडी टू पेरीमीटर. तो लेंथ 10, ब्रेथ 20, रिजल्ट. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर पेरीमीटर? 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. फॉर्मूला क्या है?
2 multiplied by length plus breadth.
तो क्या आंसर आएगा? लेंथ प्लस ब्रेथ कितना होगा? 30. 30 into 2 60. तो क्या आएगा? पेरीमीटर इज हाउ मच?
60.
And length and area is how much?
200.
Now close the class. For main make a new class. For main always make a
New class.
public class shape main. उसमें क्या लिखो?
That is void main.
और किसका ऑब्जेक्ट बनेगा अभी?
New rectangle.
Is new rectangle. And R1 से क्या कॉल हो गया अभी? R1 से एरिया, और R1 से क्या कॉल होगा?
Perimeter. Perimeter.
And class close, method close, class close. I will save this program as,
Shape main dot java.
so I save it as shape main.java, and now I run this. तो आउटपुट क्या आएगा? बोलो भाई, आउटपुट क्या आएगा?
200 and 200.
एरिया इज 200 and perimeter is 60, है ना?
Perimeter is 60.
तो first let's compile it. How do I compile? Java C and shape main.java.
Shape main dot java.
कंपाइल हो गया. Java and shape main, और एंटर किया तो आंसर क्या आया? देखो, दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir.
तो is interface clear?
Yes, sir.
So interface contains blank methods, and when you say implements, what does this implements mean? You are promising that you will implement all its method, all its. So if you give body to area but you don't give body to perimeter, is the promise being fulfilled?
No.
So you have to give methods to all the empty functions. Clear?
Okay, sir.
ठीक है. तो तुम लोग ये दो प्रोग्राम प्रैक्टिस करो अभी. I'll send the Java file to you all and upload the video. Okay?
Okay, sir.
चलो, bye then, take care.
Bye.